Zebra's self-laminating LaserBand Dura wristband provides exceptional durability and comfort, and it's easy to assemble and secure on your patient. Just follow these simple steps. To assemble the LaserBand Dura wristband, hold the printed sheet firmly. Then press the blue asterisk on the wristband and push it through the sheet. Be sure to only press on this spot and not the shaded area, which is where the wristband is attached to the carrier sheet. Next, turn the sheet over. Starting from where you have punched through the asterisk, pull the band away from the sheet. Pull it at an angle to make sure the laminate window stays affixed to the image area as you remove the band. Now, pinch the band between your thumb and forefinger along the perforated area between the image area and the laminate window area. From this pinch point, press and smooth the lamination over the image area, creating the patented self-laminating water, alcohol, and solvent-resistant seal on the wristband. Now you're ready to place the wristband on the patient's wrist. Wrap the wristband around the patient's wrist, leaving about 2 fingers space between the wrist and the band for a comfortable fit. Place the wristband over the exposed adhesive tab and press together. Then lay the second adhesive tab on top. Remove the covering to expose the adhesive as you stick this tab to the band. The LaserBand Dura wristband form also includes an extender that allows it to fit on patients with larger wrists. To add the extender, place the printed Dura wristband aside with the blue adhesive tab covering face down. Then find the extender on the carrier sheet. Press on the blue asterisk and push through the sheet, just as you did with the blue asterisk for the wristband. Turn the sheet over and pull away the extender. Place the extender on top of the exposed adhesive, making sure the blue asterisk on the extender is facing up. Remove the paper tab with the asterisk from the extender. Then secure the band to the wrist in the same way, leaving a 2-finger width space for comfort. When you've removed and secured the wristband, detach the accompanying chart labels on the other half of the sheet along the perforation. The form is hole punched to fit securely into the patient's chart, giving you pre-printed labels to use for marking patient forms or specimen vials and cups. The LaserBand Dura wristband was designed to make patient identification safe, secure, and easy. For more information about Zebra and our entire line of laser and thermal wristband solutions, please visit www.zebra.com.